Morning students, now I am teaching to you intermediate first year functions now exercise 1. Okay, if f from R to R is defined by f of x is equal 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, then show that f of tan theta is equal cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. Okay, so here given function f from R to R, it is defined by f of x is equal 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So here what asking that? Then show that f of tan theta is equal cos 2 theta. Okay, so here f of tan theta. F of tan theta. Okay, so in the place of x you can input tan theta, that is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So tan square theta, tan theta how we can write in the terms of sin and cos, sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so that is equal to 1 minus sin square theta by cos square theta by 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta. So 1 is a whole number, 1 is a whole number. Okay, now we can do that cross multiple. Okay, so that is cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta by, here also 1 into cos square theta, 1 into sin square theta by 1 into cos square theta. Here also same, cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta. Okay, it is a numerator, it is a denominator. The denominator in fraction, it is become reciprocal. Okay, so that is cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta into here cos square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay, cos square theta cancel. Then cos square theta minus sin square theta by cos square theta plus sin square theta. So by using the trigonometric identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta, how much? 1. Okay, so that is cos square theta minus sin square theta by 1. So cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. By using compound angle, cos of a minus b is equal cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, cos of a plus b is equal cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, so here that is cos square theta minus sin square theta, that is equal cos 2 theta. So f of tan theta is equal cos 2 theta. Therefore, hence rule. Okay, so next one. If f from R domain, the domain is other than plus or minus 1 in real numbers to real numbers, codomain, real numbers, is defined by f of x is equal log modulus absolute value modulus 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Then show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to f of x. To f of x. So here f of x is what the function? Here f of x is equal log modulus 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Okay, so in the place of x, what is there here? 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay, so here given f from R plus or minus 1 other than 2R, f of x is equal log modulus 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So what is asking that? Prove that f of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to f of x. So take LHS, that is f of 2x by 1 plus x square. In the place of x you can put 2x by 1 plus x square. So that is log modulus 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay, in the place of x, you can substitute 2x by 1 plus x square. So here, 1 is a whole number, here 1 is a whole number. You can do that log. Now you can do that cross multiple, these two are the fractions. So 1 into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square plus 2x into 1, 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 into 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, 1 into minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay, no? So here 1 plus x square plus 2x by 1 plus x square, it is a numerator, it is a denominator. The denominator having fraction, it is become reciprocal. So that is log 1 plus x square plus 2x, we can write in order form, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. Here the denominator fraction is become reciprocal, that is 1 plus x square by x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus x square cancel, that is log. Here x square plus 2x plus 1. 1 we can write as 1 square. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is a plus b whole square. So that is x plus 1 whole square. By here x square minus 2x plus 1. 1 we can write as 1 square. So it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is a minus b whole square. That is x minus 1 whole square. So log here a power m by b power m. We can write as a by b whole power m. So that is x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So here we can use the formula log x power n base a is equal n log x base a. Okay, that is here we can write as 2 log modulus 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x is nothing but what? F of x. That is 2 of f of x. So f of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal 2 of f of x. Therefore, hence 2. Next one. If a is equal minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 and find function f from a to b is a surjection. Okay, surjection means what? All the elements of B is mapped by the elements of A. At least one element in A. Okay, it's called what? Surjection. So, defined by f of x is equal x square plus x plus 1. Here the domain is what? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Here they given that x values. Then find f of x. Okay, f of x is nothing but what? Range. Okay, so then find B. B is called what? Ma? Range. Okay, actually here f from A to B. A is a domain, B is a codomain. Okay, but it is which function they are given? That surjection function. That means all the elements of B, the codomain elements, all are mapping with at least one element in the domain. Okay, that means here the codomain is equal to range. Okay, so here given f from A to B is a surjection. A is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so and f of x is equal x square plus x plus 1. Here for x belongs to A. Okay, domain. Okay, so that is f of minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 plus 1. That is 4 minus 2 whole square. 4 plus and minus 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. That is equal to 3. Okay, f of minus 2 mapping element is what? Ma? 3. Next f of minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 whole square 1 plus and minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, that is 1. F of minus 1 1. Next f of 0, that is equal 0 square plus 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. So the 0 mapping element is what? Ma? 1. Okay, next f of 1 that is equal 1 square plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 that is equal 3. So the mapping element of 1 is 3. Next f of 2, so that is 2 square plus 2 plus 1 that is equal 4 plus 2 plus 1 that is equal 7. The mapping element of 2 is 7. Okay, so that is here b is equal, what are the elements now? 3, next 1, next 0, next 3, next 7. So the range of the function f of x is equal x square plus x plus 1 is 3, 1, 0, 3, 7. If f is equal 1, 2, 3, 4 and f from a to r, domain is a, codomain is real numbers. Okay, is a function defined by f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. Then find the range of the f. Okay, they are asking that real number, codomain. Okay, so here given f from a to r, so a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So define a function f of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1. So for all x belongs to a, okay, x belongs to codomain. So they are asking that the mapping elements of x. Okay, so here what are the x elements, what are the domain elements? 1, 2, 3. When you substitute that 1, 2, 3 in the given function, then you can get the mapping elements. So the mapping elements is called what? Range. Okay, so here f of 1 square minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 1 by 2. Okay, so one mapping element is 1 by 2. Next f of 2 square minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. That is 2 square, 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 3. That is 4 minus 2, 2 plus 1 by 3. That is 3 by 3. That is equal to how much more? 1. Okay, next f of 3, that is equal 3 square minus 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 square 9, 3 plus 1 4. 9 minus 3 6. 6 plus 1 by 4, that is equals 1 by 4. The 3 is mapping the elements 1 by 4. Okay, next f of 4. Okay, that is equal 4 square minus 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1. So 4 square 16. 16 minus 4 plus 1 by 5. That is 16 minus 4 12. 12 plus 1 by 5. That is equal to how much? 13 by 5. Okay, so here 1 is mapping with the element 1 by 2. 2 is mapping the element 1. 3 is mapping the element 7 by 4. 4 is mapping the element 13 by 5. So therefore, range of the function is, so the domain elements are mapping the elements 1 by 2, 1, 7 by 4, next 13 by 5. If a is equal x such that minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, f of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to x cube, which of the following are surjections? Okay, f from a to a, g from a to a, f from a to a, g from a to a. So here given a is equal x such that minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So that means the values of a is what? Minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, x is greater than or equal to minus 1 and x is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so what are the domains values of a? Minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, so function f of x is equal to x square. Okay, surjection means what? The codomain elements are mapping with all the elements of codomain of elements are mapping with at least one element of domain. Okay, so here f of minus 1, that is minus 1 whole square 1. Next f of 0, 0 square 0. F of 1, 1 square, that is equal 1 is is equal minus 1 whole square 1. F of 0 is equal to 0 square 0.